depending on what the actual product is you're selling, like you say, there's seasonal stock, which actually the actual brand needs to basically sell those items, because otherwise they're going to be sat in the warehouse for a year. So they typically will discount those at a certain point just to basically make sure that they're churning through the stock. You've also then got manufacturers who are discounted items, because when you brought up an electrical sort of a client there, you showed there's a maybe 20% off a particular range. If we pick TVs as an example, that's consistent if you check other brands' websites as well. So it's not necessarily the retailer doing it; it's actually the manufacturer, because either they've got the surplus stock or they've got a new range coming out. So they want to basically clear out their stock in that sense as well. So sometimes it's not necessarily the retailer directly themselves. In terms of what can they do, look, years and years we've done a one-to-many type approach of marketing, and it works, and it's worked pretty well. We saw it on email, we saw it on SMS. The marketplace is changing now, and the focus needs to be on how you can retain your customers. So the focus needs to be more on about how you build out their customer experience, the customer journey along the way, all the different touch points within that journey itself. You need to understand how the user behavior is being sort of managed. So has that customer visited certain pages? Are they abandoning certain stages? Have they repeat purchased? When are they repeat purchasing? If you analyze that data in itself, you can actually change the way you actually communicate, and change from a one-to-many to a one-to-one approach, because you can basically build that rapport with that customer. So it's almost like when you walk into a department store and someone actually knows who you are, they know what you generally buy. It's that personalized approach. That digital assistant generally comes in, but based on data insights that you've got there, you can really make it a change. And then the approach will change. It doesn't necessarily always have to be validated for a discount, because actually what you're bringing to that consumer is what their expectation is, and they trust you as a business and a brand in itself.